Hello YouTube, this is an on. Today's video I have the Mpow 059, which is headphone, and Mpow 088, which is earphone. As a person who is not warm to Bluetooth technologies and who likes cable, I decided to try them and keep up with this crazy age. The another reason to make decision transfer to Bluetooth technology, cables of all the headphones I bought before break down after a few months. And this is annoying, the solution is crystal clear to me. No cable, no breakdown anymore. Mpow promises you long usage time, flexibility and comfort design with these headphones. Actually, I'm newbie of this brand and the quality really surprises me. So let's start with this bigger one. The box came with a regular cover. Also there are two cables, one of 3.5mm, the other one USB charging cable, and $20 worth coupon. And here it is. As my opinion, the headphone looks more expensive and solid. Actually, if I had an urban style, I could use it at outdoor. As you can see, flame red color perfect fit for this product, but also there is more options in Amazon. You can check it in description, I will add the links. Also, I like the function buttons, as it's supposed to be that works for previous, next, volume control and answering and finishing calls. 1 week of use, and as far as I've been outside for several times, I can say that the noise cancelling system tremendously good. When you open the volume at the maximum level, you don't even hear any higher noise. Let's check it out the papers. As I told you, user manual, sum of attention and the coupon for newbie Mpow users. If you are newbie of this product, you can use it. I think it's great gesture. In this way, this product became my favorite equipment. The product is madness at this price. Let's see another madness of this company. Yeah, this is my tiny one from Mpow again. It's $20, which is very affordable price. IP7 waterproof, easy to use, portable, and also fit for all ears. There are billion backup. When we look at the contents of the box, a very stylish box welcomes us. It looks very exclusive. When we open the other box, again, by the way, it feels like Matrushka V face with very stylish case. Even the product cheaper than the other, cover quality much better than the other products, I have to say that. The same stuff come out the box again, except 3.5mm cable. I think it's set. As of size, this product has become the product I use outside. Even I can hear bass riffs of these songs with this tiny thing. So cheap and so good quality is another Mpow product. In many similar productions I have problems with sunglasses during use. It didn't happen with this earphone. This product has already taken its place in my pockets. So let's check it out, the Bluetooth range of Mpow 059.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess, found myself in my regrets.
As you can see, the product still works without buzzing until I stop at the last point. Mpow gives everything you expected. So that's it. Please let me know any product you want to review video on comment section. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is an on.
Too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.